Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G 5G Plus, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD into the device. So to get started, we will need this SIM eject tool, and it comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. Or you can also use a paper clip. If you straighten one of the ends, it should work just as well. So let's pop out the tray, which is located on the left upper side of the device, right under the Google key. As you can see, once you press it in, it will pop out, and from here you can simply take it out and have space to insert either two different SIM cards. So if you want to use two different SIM cards, you place one on the space for the SD card, like so. But I'm going to be using both. So there we go, that's the SIM and that's the SD. Now the tray is fairly nice, it will actually hold the cards in place so you don't have to hold them yourself. So from there, insert it back into the device. There we go. And let's unlock it. And it should give me, there we go, the pin for the SIM card. So the SIM card is obviously working based on the pin, and I can also see that the SD card is working based on that notification there. So both of the cards are working. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.